Hi everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. This is part number 3 of grade 10, chapter number 2, exercise 2.2 of the chapter Polynomials. Question number 1. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So the first question, x square minus 2x minus 8. By splitting the middle term method, you can write it like x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 because 1 into minus 8 will be minus 8 and the factors of 8 in terms of these are 4 and 2. Then you can write it like this. Then the zeros will be 4 and minus 2. You can equate it with the 0 and you will get zeros as 4 and minus 2. Now what are the sums? We have to relate it with the coefficients and the zeros. Hence you can write it like minus 2, minus of minus 2 by 1, that is actually minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Likewise, constant term by coefficient of x square will be in the product. Now the second part, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. You can use the splitting the middle term method in order to get the split terms. 4s square minus 4s plus 1 can be written like 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1, that is 2s can be taken out, which is the common one. 2s minus 1 minus 1 into 2s minus 1. 2s minus 1 can be taken out and you will get the same inside also, which means you are having its square, that is you are having a 0 which is in the repeated form and the s is equal to 1 by 2. Same zeros are here, there is no distinction, the zeros are not distinct. So sum is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is alpha plus alpha, that's equal to 1. You can write it like minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, that is minus of minus 4 by 4. Likewise, product is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, which is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square, that is 1 by 4. Part number 3. Six x square minus 3 minus 7x. You can just rearrange it since it is commutative. 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. That is equal to, you can take the 3x outside, you will get 2x minus 3 inside and also 2x minus 3 over there. Then you can take the 2x minus 3 commonly outside. Then 3x plus 1 will be remaining there. 3x plus 1. So what are the zeros here? 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Okay. You have to put the negative because it is 3x plus 1. Okay. Now what are the sums? Sum is equal to 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 9 by 2 minus 6, that is 7 by 6. Now what is the product? Product is equal to 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. You will get it like, yes, you can write the sum like minus of minus 7 by 6, that is actually minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and the product is constant term divided by coefficient of x square minus 1 by 2. Fourth part, 4u square plus 8u. It's very simple. Since 4u can be taken out commonly, 4u is equal into 4u plus 2. Then the zeros are 0 and minus 2. What are the sums? Sum is equal to 0 minus 2, that is minus 2 itself. Product is 0 and you can write minus 2 like, minus 2 can be written like the minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Likewise, product is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Part number 5, t square minus 15. Then t square minus 15 can be written like t square is equal to 15. T is plus or minus root 15. These are the zeros, plus root 15 and minus root 15. Sum is 0. Product is minus 15. Okay, root 15 into minus root 15 is equal to minus 15. You can write it like minus 15 by 1 and minus 0 by 1. You can relate it with the coefficients and 0. Last one, 3x square minus x minus 4. That is 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. That's equal to x into 3x minus 4 plus 1 into 3x minus 4. You can take the 3x minus 4 outside. You will get x plus 1 inside. Then the zeros are 4 by 3 and minus 1. Now what are the sum? Sum is equal to 4 by 3 plus minus 1. which is equal to 4 by 3 plus minus 3 by 3. You can just make the denominator same. Answer is 1 by 3 minus of minus 1 by 3. It is true. Now product 4 by 3 into minus 1 minus 4 by 3. Now let's move to the second question. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So the alpha plus beta is given as 1 by 4 for the first question, and alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. Okay. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. That is the sum and product. Now we have a general form. The general form is like x square, since it is a quadratic polynomial, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the general form when we have the zeros for the quadratic polynomial. So you can relate it here, x square minus 1 by 4 x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then you can multiply throughout with 4. You will get 4x square minus 1x minus 4 is equal to 0. 4x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Next, root 2 is the sum and 1 by 3 is the product. You can simply write it like x square minus root 2. You have to give there as minus x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So you have to change it like minus root 2x. You can write it simply like 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Third part, 0 comma root 5. Very simple. X square plus minus 0x plus root 5, which is equal to 0. Then you can give x square plus root 5. Okay. There is no x term. Now for 1, x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, you have to change it to minus x because we have minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Okay, so you have to change it like minus x plus 1. So the equation or the quadratic polynomial will be x square minus x plus 1. Okay, now the fifth question, minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Sum is minus 1 by 4, product is 1 by 4. Then x square minus 1 by minus of minus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Then x square plus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. That is, you can multiply throughout with a 4 and then you will get 4x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Finally, the last one, 4 comma 1. Sum is equal to 4, product equal to 1. You can simply write it like x square minus 4x plus 1. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the next chapter part 1.